So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw one of my shoes. I wear two shoes, but we'll just draw one shoe. And do you know the two colors of my shoes? Yeah, my two favorite colors, blue and orange. All right, let's start with the color blue. All right, and we're gonna draw the outline of it. Let's go straight down. Let's curve that way. Whoa, this is a big shoe. All right, and then let's do a very wide U. That's where my ankle goes. All right, and then let's draw a very long line like that. Whoa, that's the sole of the shoe. And then we're gonna take orange and draw some X's. Yeah, for the laces, so then you can make it nice and tight, so then you can run super fast. And let's draw some stripes. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, cool stripes. Wow, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun.